YouTube? It's your girl Totally Tonight, and I am back with another freaking video. And today I'm just gonna be doing a makeup haul. So I went to TJ Maxx and I saw a lot of good products, products that I've tried, products that I have not tried, and they were all under like $5. Now, for the average college student, this is like ideal, you know, finding those products at affordable prices and things of that nature. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got, how much it cost, and whether or not I've tried it. And so yeah, so I got this Absolute New York lip package. Now, Absolute New York is a brand that I have not tried, but I did see a lot of it. The products look good. The packaging is, you know, attractive. It's appealing to the eye. So yeah, this one cost $3.99. It came with an Absolute New York metallic gloss, Absolute New York velvet lippy, lip polish, and ultra stick. And so yeah, 4 products in one for $4. The next one I got was this Beauty Concepts eyeliner. This one was $2.99. I've been trying to get more into eyeliner. I don't know why. It's just a part of makeup that's difficult for me. I don't know why, but every time I try it just doesn't work out well. But I was like, okay, you know, I'm gonna grab this. It's literally an eyeliner pen, if you guys can see. And yeah, it was only $2.99. I haven't tried this brand in particular, so hopefully it's good. So this next one was Fabulashes. You guys, these lashes are so cute. I kind of like my lashes to start out, you know, a little short and then get lengthy. I feel as though, you know, it gives a certain look to my face. And so these were, you know, perfect in terms of the style of the lash. These are 3D foam mink lashes. I've never tried this brand either. They were only like $3.99. So yeah, we'll see how these go. And I haven't tried this brand either. It's by Cara Beauty. So if you guys have heard of some of these brands, please comment down below whether you like them or not. What do you love about them? What do you not love about them? You know, so just let me know down in the comments. Next, I got this Milani lip gloss. Now, Milani is a brand that I see very often. I do believe I have tried some of their products before, just not many. This is a lip cream in the color of more metallic, and it was only $2.99. So yeah, I think this will be fine. Oh, this product is also cruelty free. So yeah. This next product is also an Absolute New York product. It's the HD Flawless Setting Powder. I don't really wear foundation as much. I actually use concealer when I do my makeup to just cover up some of my blemishes. Sometimes I just don't wear anything except for brows, lashes, maybe even a lip color. I've been getting more into eyeshadow because of the simple fact that when we're wearing a mask, all you can see is our eyes. But I did want to get this just because I feel like it prevents the oiliness. You know, it gives you just a little bit more of a pop with your makeup. It's universal translucent, and yeah, this one was actually $4.99. I have used this once and it did a pretty good job, but we'll see. The next product was this Milani Prime Protect. Now this one was $2.99. It also has SPF 30, so which is very important, just having some kind of sunscreen, some kind of protection. I live in Florida, so the sun, it shows up every day, hot, cold, even when it rains, sometimes the sun is shining. So, you know, this was just, you know, very good makeup item, just a base whenever I'm putting on something, you know. So next we have this e.l.f. shadow stick in the color Midnight Sapphire. You guys, I thought, now personally I use like a powder shadow, not necessarily a shadow stick, but this is something that I see a lot of women wearing now. So yeah, plus I got the color because Halloween is coming up and I'm gonna be playing with the blues a little bit, so I thought this would be a great thing. And it was also only $2.99. Now e.l.f. is a go-to brand for me just because they're affordable, and it gets the job done. I'm always using e.l.f. products, so I doubt that I would have any trouble with this. Another e.l.f. product, this one is the No Budge Retractable Eyeliner in the color Navy. It is also cruelty-free and vegan and waterproof. As stated previously, I'm always using e.l.f., no issues. This is also $2.99, so let's see if I can, you know, play with the eyeliner a little bit for Halloween. The last product I got was a 2-in-1 brow perfector. As you can see, I've opened it because I've used it. This is also in the brand Absolute New York. I actually love this, so I think I will love the other products as well. This one was only $3.99, simply filling in brows. It's actually like a pencil and a brush in one. Alrighty guys, that's all I have. Just a little quick haul. Comment down below what items you get from TJ Maxx in terms of makeup, beauty, hair, whatever the case may be. Some products I need to try, products in this haul that you have tried and that you love. Also like this video and tell me if you guys want to see more videos like this. I will probably also give you guys a Halloween makeup look. I'm not so sure yet, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.